Hi everyone, I'm Lisa bringing you another Trinity Stamps product close-up from the 2020 spring release. This is the adorable Dust Bunnies stamps and coordinating dies. This is a 4x8 stamp set that features 5 of these adorable dust bunnies, 2 feather dusters that are the cutest little chicks, plus the bed. Now the bed is the largest stamp in this set, measuring 3.5 inches wide by 3 inches tall. The set also contains 4 sentiments, and the coordinating die set is sold separately, and it has dies for the words achoo, because, and dust for you. Now, the dust for you sentiment has a die for each word, so there's going to be 3 dies for that sentiment. You're also going to get dies for each of the bunnies, the bed, the feather dusters, and those cute little slippers there. Now I went ahead and stamped these images out because I feel like you get a better feel for what something looks like when you see it stamped out. I colored this adorable image here, and then I ran him through the die cut machine with a coordinating die. These guys are so cute. Also, I have a couple of samples here for you. I cannot wait for you to get these cuties in your craft room and start creating with them. Please be sure to share your creations with us in the Trinity Stamps Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation Facebook group. And be sure to use the hashtag Trinity Stamps LLC when you're sharing over on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and be sure you click that bell to be notified of new content so you can watch more product close-ups from the Trinity Stamps spring release. Thanks for watching and have a great day.